Hi guys, it's Dream and today I'm going to show you how to create a shake effect on Funimate. So I already added my picture here. I'm going to make it full screen and go to keyframes, transform. Now there are a lot of shakes that you can do, but the most used ones are position and rotation. So first of all, we're gonna do a position shake. So adding a keyframe in the beginning and one around the middle. Now you can place the second keyframe in the beginning, somewhere like this, to make it faster, or you can put it at the end to make it slower. Depends on what kind of shake you want. Now that we have all of our two keyframes, we're gonna set the first keyframe so the position of the photo is a bit upwards. Now you can do this in every direction, it doesn't matter, but you just need to move the picture a bit in the beginning. Now scrolling down in transform, we're gonna set the image to mirror and we're gonna select the motion blur to max. Now going back to the position, you can see without a graph, it doesn't really do anything. Now clicking on the graph and clicking custom, you can see we have multiple options on the left side. You're gonna click elastic and you're gonna drag this knob right here so it creates these squiggly lines like this. Now that's like basically all. After adding that custom graph, our shake is basically done. So I'm going to show you right now. As you can see, we have a really smooth and perfect shake and it's really fast to make. Now we're gonna go to transform again and we're gonna add a rotation shake on top of it. So again, doing the same steps as in position, we're gonna add two keyframes and we're gonna set the first keyframe so it's a bit rotated to the left. Now going back again to the custom graph, we're gonna choose elastic and again make it so it bounces. Now let's see how it looks with rotation on through. So this is how it looks. It's really nice, really fast to make. If you want to add other shakes on top, you can go to add effect and search for 2D transform, which is here. And for example, you can choose position again, but this time make it go side to side. So in the first keyframe, we're gonna make it go side to side. Again, custom graph, elastic, and make it squiggly. Now we're gonna select fill in the 2D transform, just so it looks good. And this is how it would look with about 3 shakes at once. Now that is really cool, fun to make, quick, and shakes really add onto the edit because without them, the photos would just be still. So it adds a lot of movement and makes the edits overall just better.